I'm sure you've heard of YouTube automation before, right? Well, I have multiple faceless YouTube channels that are raking in over $10,000 a month, all from ad revenue. And guess what? I achieved this without even showing my face. Now check this out. Here's a prime example of a faceless YouTube channel that posts motivational and philosophical videos. This creator has earned thousands of dollars in just a few months. What's even crazier, he's hit over 1 million views on one of his videos. Now, if you're wondering how he achieved such amazing results in such a short time, let me tell you, if you clicked on this video, you've hit the jackpot. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your own faceless YouTube channel. You'll learn how to make your first high-quality video that will guarantee results, design a must-click thumbnail, and optimize it with SEO to drive tons of views. If you stick with me until the end, I'm confident you won't have any problems getting views on your videos. I promise that if you follow every step I show you, you will have your channel monetized in no time. But here's the best part. While others charge thousands of dollars for this in paid courses, I'm giving it to you for free. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your own successful YouTube channel. One more thing, to all of you who are posting videos on YouTube, make sure to leave a comment with how many subscribers you have and a question, and I'll help you out completely for free. Now, without wasting any time, let's get straight into creating our channel. With the help of ChatGPT, we're going to create our channel name and description. I've already entered the prompt and it gives us exactly what we need. You can find all the links and prompts I'm using in the Google Doc linked below. And boom, just like that, everything is ready. Now set ChatGPT aside and open YouTube. Click on Create Channel and then head back into ChatGPT. Here you can pick any name you like. I'll go with Mind Elevation. Just copy it, go back into YouTube, paste it, and hit Create. And just like that, we've created our channel, but we're not done yet. We still need a channel logo, and to create that, we'll be using Canva. Click Create Design and search for YouTube logo. Once you click on it, you'll have a blank page ready to go. Since our channel is in the philosophical niche, let's start by adding a monk to our logo. Open the Elements tab and search for monk. In the graphics section, you'll find hundreds of free images to use. For example, this one looks perfect, so I'll go ahead and use it for our logo. Now I'll make it bigger by dragging the white dot at the corner, and once that's done, I'll center it so it looks nice and balanced. After that, let's add a background. Go back to the Elements tab and search for background. This one looks perfect, so let's add it. Now make sure you scale the image to fit the entire template. After that, right-click on the image, select Layer, and then click Send to Back to position it behind the monk. Now, let's add our channel name. Open the Text tab and click on Add Heading. I'll type in our channel name here and position the text right above the monk. Let's change the font. Open the Fonts tab, and a great font to use is Gagolin. After that, I'll set the text size to 60, and in the color picker, I'll change our text to orange. To enhance the text, open the Effects tab and I'll add the outline effect. As you can see, it looks much better now. To add the final touch, I'm going to include a brain and eye picture to our logo, making it unique. While I'm adding that, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video. Think of it as a small fee for all the valuable information I'm sharing with you for free. And just like that, our logo is a banger. The last thing you need to do is download it. Click on the share button, select download, and you're done. Now let's add everything to our channel. Click on Customize Channel, and it will take you to the customization page. Let's start with the logo. Click Upload and select the logo you just created. Now, I'll scale the logo a bit to make it look cleaner. After that, just click Done. Now as you can see, our handle name is a bit sketchy. To improve it, I'll set it to Mind Elevation Unleashed. And the last thing we need to do is add the channel description. We have one ready, so just head back into ChatGPT and copy it. Then go back to YouTube and paste it into the description field. After that, our channel is ready. Just make sure to save everything. And just like that, we've successfully created our YouTube channel. Now that you have your YouTube channel set up, you're ready to create your first video. Watch closely, because I'm about to show you how to make a banger video that's sure to go viral. For a video to go viral, it needs to have a good script. Now I'm going to show you an easy trick that will get you a perfect script in just minutes. This is the channel I showed you before. It has some videos that blew up, and we can definitely take advantage of that. If we click on the Popular Videos button, we can see he has a video with 1.3 million views. If his video went viral using a similar script, you can do it too. Once you have the video, open VidNoz. This tool will help us extract the script from the original video. To do that, just upload the video you downloaded here. Set the original language to English and click Dub Videos Now. And just like that, we have the full script. But we don't want to copy this exact script, so we need to make some changes. Just copy the entire script from here and let's open ChatGPT. Now paste the whole script right here. As you can see, we have the timeline and the script is doubled. To fix that, I'll type in a prompt to remove everything unnecessary. Once again, you can find the prompts in the Google Doc linked below. Also, don't forget to subscribe since it's free. Now, once you've corrected the script, let's create our own original script. I'll enter a prompt that gives us a similar script to the original, and it will be unique. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. This is just crazy. We have a perfect script in just minutes. If you don't like the script, just type, create another one, and ChatGPT will whip up a new script for you. Now let's generate a voiceover for our script. Now go ahead and copy the entire script you created and open 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a tool that allows you to generate a voiceover with hundreds of AI voices for free. The best voice you can use for these types of videos is the health news narrator, so make sure to select that one. After that, paste the script into 11 Labs and click Generate Speech. Just listen to this.
In a bustling town surrounded by towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Hero. Hero was always intrigued by the stars that twinkled in the night sky.
The voiceover is just crazy. Who would believe that we created it all for free? Now, just click on the download button and we're ready for the next step. In this step, we'll be generating the images for our video. To do that, open ChatGPT again. Paste the video script you created earlier. And at the end, I'll type a prompt that will give us 20 image prompts based on the script. We'll use those prompts to generate the images for our video. Now this might take a minute since ChatGPT is generating prompts that are customized specifically for our video. That was fast forwarded, but our prompts are ready now. Let's head over to Leonardo AI to generate the images for our video. Once you're in, open the image generation tool on the left side. Now watch closely. Set the preset to Lifelike Vision. Then adjust the ratio to 16:9. And in the Advanced Settings tab, make sure to select Alberto Base XL for optimal results. Now we're ready. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and then go back to Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt section, and let's see how our images turn out. As you can see, by using the prompt from ChatGPT and the settings in Leonardo AI, we've generated perfect images for our video. Now, just select the image that you like and make sure to download it. And you need to do the same for all of the prompts. To generate them faster, you can enter a prompt, click Generate, and while it's generating, enter the next prompt right away. This way, you'll save time, and it'll be easier for you. Once you generate all the images, find the ones you like, and make sure to download them. Now let's create a video out of our images. For that, we'll use Hyper AI. We need to bring our images to life, so go ahead and open the Image to Video tool. To do that, upload your first image from Leonardo and click Create. As you can see, our video is being generated, and this might take up to a minute per video. I'll skip the loading part and let's see how the result looks. This tool gives great quality videos, and you can use it for free. I won't waste your time here, so make sure to do the same for all the images you have and download each video. Once you have all the videos ready, we can move on to the next step, creating our final YouTube video. To edit our video, we'll use CapCut. Let's start off by importing our videos in Voiceover. Simply click on the import button and add everything you've created. Now drag down the voiceover, and I'll also drag down just a few videos so you don't get confused. I'll add all of the videos in a minute. You'll see. As you can see, we have a watermark on our videos. To remove it, simply click on the video and scale it to 121, and boom, the watermark is gone. Now, for all of your videos, make sure to cut them to match the voiceover. This is optional. Sometimes you won't need to cut them because they already match the voiceover. As you can see, I've now added all of the videos, and they match the voiceover perfectly. Now let's add the text. To add the text, simply click on the text tool at the top, then click on Auto Captions and hit Generate. As easy as that, we have the text, but we can make it even better. To enhance its look, open the Templates menu on the right side. Here you'll find many templates that are great. I prefer to use this one for all of my videos, so let's see how it will look. As I already said, it's perfect, so we'll leave it just like that. Now let's add some transitions. You can find them in the Transitions menu at the top. Here you have a lot of great transitions to choose from. Simply find the one you like and drag it into the editing bar. Basically, the transitions in the first 3 rows are all good, so feel free to use those. Make sure to add transitions to your whole video, and then we can move on to the next step. To make the video quality better and more vibrant, let's add an adjustment to it. To do this, open the Adjustment tab at the top and drag down the adjustment. Make sure to drag it so it goes all the way to the end of your video. Now just look at the settings on the right side and follow what I'm doing. Set the exposure to -5, contrast to 5, highlight to 5, and shadow to 5. Now scroll down and set the sharpen to 20. And that's it, but we are not done yet. To add the final touch to the video, we need to add some background music. You can download any no copyright storytelling song from YouTube, and I've done the same right here. Now just drag it into the editing bar. If you need to, feel free to adjust it so that the beat matches your voiceover. At the end, make sure to lower the background music volume to around 10, because we don't want it to overpower our voiceover. The background music is a bit short, so to fix that, I'll make a copy of it, paste it, and cut it at the end. I'll also add a 1-second fade out so that it sounds clean. The last thing you need to do is export it. Click on the export button, choose 1080p and 60 FPS, and then click export. Let's see how the end result looks.
In a bustling town surrounded by towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Hero. Hero was always intrigued by the stars that twinkled in the night sky and yearned to learn about the universe.
This is just a quick sneak peek of our video so we don't waste any time. As you can see, we've created an even better version than the original. Now, before we post it, I'll show you how to create an engaging thumbnail and optimize SEO to get more views. To create the thumbnail, we will use Leonardo AI. Click on Image Generation and enter the following prompt. And for our thumbnail, select the anime preset, which you can find on the left side. Now let's see what Leonardo AI creates for us. We've got some pretty good images, but to get even better ones, you can simply click Generate multiple times until you find the perfect match. Now we have way more options to choose from. I like this one, so I'll go ahead and download it. Let's add some text to make it more engaging. For that, we'll use Canva. Now click on Create Design and open the YouTube thumbnail template. First, head to Uploads and upload the image you just downloaded. Next, click on the image and it will be automatically added to the editing side. Use the corner dots to drag the image and make it fill the screen completely. Now let's add some engaging text. Open the text menu on the left side and click on Title. You can easily generate catchy text hooks with ChatGPT. I've already created one and I will type, "Don't focus on results." To enhance it further, I'll change the text color to yellow using the color picker in the toolbar. Now, I'll drag the text to the top left corner and increase its size to make it more readable. I don't like the font, so let's change it. Open the fonts menu at the top where you can find hundreds of options. I'll go with Gaggelin as it's one of my favorites. And for the final touch, let's add some effects. Open the effects menu at the top where you'll find the neon effect. Click on it and make sure to lower the intensity to its lowest setting for a clean look. Alright, our thumbnail is done. Now let's download it. Click on the export button and then select download to save it. Now that we've created everything, the only thing left is to optimize the SEO and finally upload our video. Watch closely, as this part is very important. Before uploading the video, make sure to open vidIQ. It's a fantastic tool that will assist us with SEO. Open it up and ensure you add the extension to Chrome. Once you've done that, you can finally open your YouTube studio. Now, let's upload the video we've just created. And boom, we are ready. Let's kick things off with the title. We'll use ChatGPT to help us craft a catchy title that grabs attention. Now, copy the entire script you generated earlier. Once you have it, open a new chat and paste it there. After that, enter this prompt to get 10 engaging titles that we can use. Now, choose the title you like the most, copy it, and head back to YouTube Studio. And once you are there, just paste it into the title section. As you can see, vidIQ provides several title options, but we'll keep our original title since it has a high SEO score. Now let's create an SEO optimized description. First, copy your video title, then scroll down and open the description tool. Paste the title right here and click Generate. Now that we've created multiple descriptions, find the one you like best, copy it, and paste it into the description box. To further optimize our SEO, I'll share a powerful trick. In the description box, create a section titled Ignore. In this section, we'll add tags that will help push our video deeper into the YouTube algorithm. To create the video tags, we will use ChatGPT. First, enter your video title. Then, input your video description. Finally, use the prompt below to generate 30 SEO optimized tags. As you can see, we've generated 30 SEO optimized tags in under a minute. Now copy the prompt that I'm using, which will give us the tags in a bulk format that we can use for our video. Once you generate the tags, copy them and head back to YouTube Studio. Now simply paste the tags after the Ignore section. Once you're done, remember to add a comma after each tag. Once you're done, let's add the thumbnail. Simply scroll down and upload your thumbnail in this section right here. After that, scroll down, and in the kids section, select that the content is not for kids. In the altered content section, since our content is made with AI, make sure to select yes. Now, let's add the video tags. Go back into the description section, and from there, copy the video tags. After that, head back into the tag section and paste them there. If you have more tags than needed, simply delete a few and you're all set. Now scroll down and set the video language to English. After that, go even further down and select the category as entertainment. Once you're done with everything, let me prove to you that this content is monetizable. If I go into the check section, look at what we have here. There's no copyright on our video, and it's ready to go. And to summarize everything, simply click on the publish button and congratulations. You have just uploaded your YouTube video and it's ready to blow up. If you want to learn more about posting times, monetization, and content creation, you can find everything you need in my other videos, so make sure to check them out. Remember, if you want to see results, you need to be consistent, so keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next video.